DTP, yeah. This West Side, nigga. Young Gonzalez, making new videos. I'm killing every beat that I get up on. They may be dope rappers, but I bet that you ain't never seen one just like me, yeah. I pull the strap out and let pussies know what I'm about. Shoot a nigga in his knees, knock his caps off. I don't have a conscience, so I start rolling. I make niggas in the trap get their hoes too. Get up on the block and make my guap. Selling that pussy, I don't give a fuck. Get it like Stu and throw it all in a pot. Feeling high as hell cause I'm in the top spot. Partied last night, woke up feeling pretty shot. But I'll cure it with the herb that I just bought. Getting chopped as fuck, damn I almost got caught. Shake these plays up, get 'em like in Morton Salt. David G got my soldiers too, saluting home. You heard a couple rumors about me committing assault, but I would tell boys that it wasn't my fault. But I'm crashing down on you like a lightning bolt. So I'm going in like the Indianapolis Colts. And my flow is so cold, I make bitches grab their coats. What is we own? I'll reply whatever floats your boat. But we could ride first class and say fuck coach, cause we our own boss with no post-it notes. I won't get incarcerated cause you already know that Young Gonzalez will never fucking choke. I'm straightforward whenever I take control. Getting bitches to slide up and down that pole. In the strip club I look at all these hoes. Pick one out to buy me my fresh clothes. I don't give a fuck, but I am the most brutal and ruthless nigga from the West Coast. I'm running the show, so please call me the host. I'm not trying to brag, but I am the best in the biz. So if you want beef, you better tell me who you is. Yeah, Young Gonzalez, motherfucker. Yeah. West Side.